Hello to everyone, it's Avian the Frenchy, hope you are well. Today I will show you some NBA card, quite vintage card. Must to be some card mainly about the 70, I think so. I pay very few bucks for all this low. I think I pay 20 or 25 bucks. Let's go, I will show you. I will sometime not to say you the year because especially the year, but must to be in the 70 except few cards. Let's go. Magic Johnson must to be 80, but love this card. That it's Tom Sander for the Celtics, Earl Moore for the Knicks, Wal Frazier for the Knicks, love this card. Doug Collins, that it's okay. Jojo White, oh, what is it? Oh, there is maybe two cards, okay. Doug Collins, just look if there is a double. No, Wal Friday, okay. Doug Collins with Sixers, Jojo White with the Celtics, love this card. Spencer Haywood with the Sonics, George McGinnis with the Sixers, Jerry Sloan, oh I love this card with the Bulls, must to be really in the early years of the, oh okay, maybe about 8 years after the foundation of the Chicago Bulls, that's great. Steve Mix, I will show you just sometime a back of the card, okay, they are quite nice, okay, move on. Daryl Dawkins with the Sixers, oh, I think he was a very good player. Charlie Scott for the Celtics. Oh, Scottie Pippen, that's really a card of the 90. Elvin Hayes for the Bullets. Bob Lanier for the Pistons. Jojo White for the Celtics. Walt Bellamy for the Hawks. What was the team of the Hawks? Okay, it's Atlanta. Okay, nice. Calvin Murphy for the Rockets. For the Pistons, Stu Lance. Oh, I like this card. Wal Frazier. There is also a game jersey in the lot. That is Isaiah Thomas, Hall of Fame. The card is not in perfect condition, but I will not complain. Gail Goodrich for the Lakers. Paul Silas for the Celtics. Ned Turner for the Warriors, the San Francisco. Mike Riordan from New York. Larry Jones, it's very funny, it's right, Florida. Oh, I don't know a lot about the ABA team. Okay. I don't know if the team was in Miami or something. Florida. Okay, first time I see this name. Rich John for the Texas Chaparrals. Never heard about this team. About the Calvin Murphy for the Rockets. Jim Washington for the Sixers. Clyde Lee for the Warriors. Mel Kuntz for the Suns. That is interesting card. Warriors versus Bullet. What this card is? NBA semifinal. That it's nice. That it's scoring. Bob McAdoo, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, or a Pete Maravich. Oh, that's sweet. New York Knicks photo team. Wal Frazier, I don't know if he's number 10. Phil Jackson must to be the 18, I think so. Not sure 100%, that must to be okay. That's sweet. Dave Cowens for the Celtics. The Buffalo Braves, never heard about this team. Is it a ABA team? Bob McAdoo, Ernie DiGregorio. Fred Brown for the Sonics. James Worthy, okay, card from the 80. Doug Collins for the Sixers. Wes Ansel for the Bullets. Okay, move on. Len Wilkins, he was a legendary coach for the Supersonics. Dick Van Arsdale for the Suns. Walt Bellamy for the Hawks. Oh, this card is also great. Lenny Wilkins, Jerry West, and Nate Archibald. Great player and great person in the front office after the career is the Colonel Artis Gilmore. Which city come from? Kentucky. Is it the Memphis Colonel? Maybe, I'm not sure 100%. Dave Debussy, must be something. Walt Frazier, Dave Cowens, Ned Thurmond for the Warriors, Calvin Murphy for the Rockets, Willie Reed for the Knicks, Jerry Lucas for the Knicks, Nate Archibald for the King, Jerry Lucas for the Knicks again, Pat Riley. Oh my gosh, look on this card. That is really a great find. Pat Riley, Hall of Fame in NBA, famous NBA coach. Pat Riley, oh my gosh. I will slap this card, I think. Paul Westphal for the Celtics, Jim McMillan for the Lakers, Lenny Wilkins for the Cavaliers, great. Sidney King for the Blazers, Bob Dandridge for the Bucks. I don't know a lot of players. Paul Westphal for the Suns. I remember this guy. He was the NBA coach when the Bulls of Michael Jordan played versus the Suns of Charles Barkley, Dan Majerle, Dan Marley, and everything. Robert Parrish. This card is sweet. It's with the Warrior. I did not know he played for the Warrior before. Okay. Of course, Robert Parrish is famous with the Celtics jersey. Move on. I will try to go in a little more fast. 3 cards. Calvin Murphy, Maurice Check, Greg Kelser, Wes Unseld, Tom Owens, John Roche. Okay. And now I will show you some very special cards. Look on this. This card is so great. Of course, they are in bad condition, but anyway, I will try to slab it, to put in some case. Hulmo from Baltimore. I don't know the year, must to be okay in the 70, 71. I love the looking of this card. Ned Thurmond for the San Francisco, must to be Warrior, I think so. Chet Walker, Jeff Mullin, Flynn Robinson. Okay, I don't know a lot about this player. Elgin Baylor, that is crazy with the Lakers. He must to be an of fame in NBA. What is it? This championships photo album. Dick Garrett must do this. Flynn Robinson with the Cincinnati. What is the name of the Milwaukee? I don't know. He played for the Bucks before. I moved to Cincinnati. Okay, on the last card, every time the cell series, Willie Reed. We don't know even the team. What is the team of? Oh, it's a Knicks player. Okay, nice. Gus Johnson from the Baltimore. Connie Hawkins. Which team he play? Must to be the Sun, I think so. Okay. And now it's really some big card. I don't know if you're going to see very well. Oh my gosh. Let's go. That it's a big card. It must to be some NBA 75. I don't know the player, but I love the card. That it's Kevin Kenner for the Rockets. Okay, the back is like this. Okay. Dave Meyer for the Bucks. Kate Erickson for the Suns. Dick Snyder. I love a lot this. Is not the jersey, but the I don't know the name, the jacket where he put, okay. Quite funny hairstyle. James Silas, why not for this purse? Curtis Perry for this Suns. And my last card is Curtis Rory for the Piston. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy collecting. Bye bye.